Mass Rupee, real general in the school. Yeah, man. So everybody who know Mass Rupee just type blessings in the comment here, you know. Put a word in the comment here. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell me if you like it. Yeah. Get myself together, I feel like right now I'm gonna go for a walk. Yeah, you know, as soon as I rise up, me someone always get something at the events, you know. Get a spliff going. This morning I feel like what, man? Yeah. No, I'm just get up on our vibes, you know. I don't know if it's a good or a bad one, but mess that down, man. Let's say me I walk, stretch my legs, walk through my backyard. Yeah, so just come take a look with me and see how my backyard set up. Yard life, Jamaica yard life. Yeah. Nice to go walk. The backyard big, you know. Yeah, man. So anyway, take a lot out of you, but take time and try to see me, you know. Still I go. Still on the go. Still not reach the last back of the yard. Yeah, man. Country nice, you know, man. It's a nice country, really nice. You know that's something to go. It's a blessing, man. Can get up in the morning. Take how nice you go walk like this through your backyard. Get some exercise. Yeah. What could have nicer than that? Just jump up and just touch it. Yeah. Mosquito them enough. But you know me already. Don't like wearing a shirt. Yeah. Always a beat of shorts and slippers. Island vibes, you know. It's a blessing. Whoa. Still I go. Backyard big, you know. I'm ready to show you what I show you it. It's gonna take some time. So I'm just go and walk, you know. Show you say. Yard nice. I love my backyard, you know. It's a blessing. Beautiful place. Wow. On top of the moon, you know. Give thanks. Anybody in the comment here who knows which part me there exactly? Just type it in the comment here. Wow. Yeah, man, my regular morning routine, you know. Jump up out of bed. Now wash no face, now brush no teeth, thinking out I do it to just take heels. Take on the challenge, exercise same time. So from bed to exercise and then work. Yeah. I know the river something go. Can't live out river. All of who love river, country river. Type river in the comment here. Type river in the comment section. Yeah. I'm gonna reach on top of the hill. Trust me. Yo, this is an exercise worthwhile, you know? Most naturally. And this is a scene that is breathtaking. Like, oh, so sweet. You can see back as far as to Georgia. Woo, God. Danvers spend and all about surrounding areas, you know. Now I'm already. Sweetness and stop there, so still I go, you know. 1, 1, 2, 2. Whew. Yeah. So you see how part the sun come up there. Round a corner. You have a black round in here, left hand river. But give it some time. I'll show you all what's going on. Yeah. This is it. My backyard, you know. And it's still not done yet, you know. Because despite of that magnificent view, you see how far I have to go see, man. The walking just start. Yeah, man, and sun will come up around the horizon there. Or I'd say over the horizon. But come take a walk with me. Come on. We're going, you know. Up the hill. Can hear the goat them run up in a ball. One of the time I'll show you that, man. I'll show you guys the goat pen, you know. Yeah. And all the goat them in it. Fit little fiddles. Jump round. Terrain set away, you know. More up you go. And the steeper it get, you know. Yeah. Still have level and a nice little piece of great day for take on. You know there's something go. See general, up and about, you know. Go up. You know the road. Park up. I give my dan dada. Go up. Go up. Yeah. All faithful, you know. Dep on him black. Oh, we step past him. Lot more sightseeing ahead, you know. Wow. Nice little walk. Yeah, this is where I normally come and sit down, you know. Taking all of the beauty here. Backyard. From early in the morning before the sun come up and get hot, you know. Yeah, man. Love my country, you know. Yeah, man. Love yard, you know. Sometimes I don't have much to say, but trust me. Just sit down and look for all of this. It's better than for out there bus gun, you know. It's better than out there do the wrong thing. So you know that's something to go. Yeah. I'm originally from this side of the countryside, you know. Yeah, man, but I come here and I fall in love with the place. Coming in back off of the hike. Yeah, feeling fit as ever. Get myself together. Yeah. But river all that fresh. You know this. Make a run the river, you know. No, my style already get clean from early. I have to get up and about. Can't waste time though. Country folks, I'm a big plum. Morning, morning. Alright. Yeah. Pretty little puppy. What? It's a blessing. You know, I'm already run the river. As I say, if you get clean, you have to enjoy the country. Yeah, for what it is. You can't have all of this niceness and make it go to waste, you know. Not real life. But for all of those who out there, and it's been a while since you see a bees box. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You know, Big's bees them, big up Big's. Proud farmer, you know. Yeah, man, but we are going to river today. So, you know, I don't deal. Yeah. Taking it one step at a time. You know, the terrain is a little bit challenging, but I love it. Love it. Because right now, the foot them I feel the burn from the hike, you know. No, it's naturally, and it's like I still live on a hike, you know, the Fugari River. They have a nice little walk and this beautiful scenery. Yes, man. Yeah. So all of those that's watching, all of you all out there that's watching, and you know what Jamaica lifestyle is like, yeah. Who like river type river in the company, please. Yeah man. And this is it. Yeah. Nice and easy this morning. It's a vibrant morning. It's a Thursday morning. So you know there's something go. Blessed day. Weekend just a start, you know. I have a problem still, you know. I don't like when I come a river and see all of them plastic on the river. Yeah man, a whole heap of this and a whole heap of that. People have to clean up after themselves, man. I don't know better thing, you know. So if you not watch this, I don't know, say you not stay river, stop it. Please. Yeah man, because now we are use it up here, so people down the river too. And you have people below them people, and you have people below them people. So just take care of the place, man. Look upon that beauty. Don't want to mess up and nasty up all of this, man. Come on, man. Can do better now. Come together as one, man. Yeah. All are fresh, you know. Get clean, you know there's something go. I had to make a quick run to Martin Day. Boy, sad. When you have to take on the bad road. package delivered. Now it's time to head back home because I have class. You know the energy. Stay tuned. It's a nice place to live. Sweet jam down. Yes, man. Know this something go. Drop off a package in a market and I can sprint go back home because I have all school today. And you know school is very important. So might be a park. Yeah. Vendors them out to sell all different type of stuff. From guinea to clothing. You know it's something go. Really hard life. Make a muckle. One cocoa mama say. Full up the basket. Right up. Yes, with the Empress Pass and the General, you know. Step across the road. And they go again. Taking it easy. Nice and easy. Activities today, you know, so the road is a bit busy, but anytime we stop in on my style already, I have to show you around the surroundings because the place is just so beautiful. We love it, Jamaica, and I can't stop loving it, Jamaica. Always a freestyle and a bag of things, you know me already, I just be real, you know, I just live. The camera is my eyes and my eyes is your eyes. So just go and look, you know. Yeah man, some days are gonna be full of joy, some days are gonna be full of energy, some days are gonna be just plain old boring. But today I keep you informed, you know. Real hard life. Jamaica hard life, 101. Yeah man, respect every time, you know. Bobo. My way to class is a blessing, yeah. Man, run got married, be able to take me off of me. Game, you know? I run go class and I will say, you know this something go. Give an insight from what I go on. You see me? You know this something go. Giving thanks to life as usual, man. Stay strong out here.
The only one thing I love myself, yesterday, I'm not fight this thing, I regret it because I was there for work, but we did not. You want to go on the girl PSC, on the asphalt down there, sir? Go do it. On the court. Go do it. I put them something there on it, man, and then we drive through and reverse through. It's not too wide and easy. Then use the court now. It's not too wide and too easy. Then I swing the bus from way out, so. And then we put court pan up or something. Both pan. Put them in place so they have the judge and straight. Those man are there. And I just go to the man. Yeah, go again. Robert, send the phone over there. The part good about the rubber the color for that car there, yeah. On the front? Yeah. The part better than the first. Yeah! Come in and sit down, go and touch it now. Robert, come over here, sir.
Yeah man, so even alright. You see that one here? You see it dark? I'm in back it up, I saw me make it stay.
So you see all the sugars down at the bottom.
That one they go in and the flows and come out back and melt out.
So ginger, all I ginger and watermelon and shake him up, you know? Yeah man. Yes. It have a shake, yeah, well, you see me? So you don't know, you see that one thing you have to put on the bag, the label. Shake well.
Shake well. Shake well.
Alright, remember that. So you get something, you see me? I pack up the cone and I want something, you know, class over, but we still on the go. Yeah, man. It's a blessing. The hard work, you know. Yeah. General, I'll take out the machine. Boogie Dan. Boogie down, you know.
Give me something, boy.
Give me something, Boogie. Hey, don't make man out here. Alright. Him baby they cross the road, you know.
Handbrake and speed.
Yeehaw! I wonder. Hey, it's on good enough, man. Yeah, man, trace, man. Must be, brother. Nothing shorter than that. Hey, my cup left, you know. My cup is there, you know. Yeah, man, just watch a cup there. I have to catch Boogie. Yo, where you find food, brother? Boogie down.
Quick and easy way to fill your public prescription
Right
at
in
drugstore
Poppy.
pharmacies. The Quick Prescript app fills your prescription
Yo,
with just a
man,
click.
has love the
Quick
GC.
Prescript mobile app today.
Oh, yeah, I say, wait, man, big. Come on, big, man.
Stop at any drugstore pharmacy, drop off your prescription and pick up your medication.
Alright, the time he said something wrong, I would do bomb buckler. They may be put that.
Dexter, we need a game of turn up in my one. You see how that can move?
What?
You see how that can move?
Brother, you see if that in a rear wheel drive, I'm not normal out there so this evening. Remember,